sometimes there's nothing else to do except sit around and strum a little bit. So we've come up with a few songs that way.
Go over a campfire and get dizzy off of trying to do harmonies.
Mm-hmm.
Again.
I have a recording of me, you, and Isaac playing Onomatopoeia in its like earliest forms. Yeah.
Whenever we'd go over and have parties at Isaac and Liz's house, Isaac always had a jam room set up, and his thing is kind of getting people to play music. So one night I came down and brought my guitar, and at that point I literally couldn't get through a 3-chord song. So I really lucked out, and they kind of took me under their wing, and after a few months of playing together, we would kind of just do it every week. And I remember, I think it was Ben brought it up. He was like, "So, are we a band now?" And we're all kind of like, "Well, I guess."
We'll make this happen.
Being the soft manager of the crew. So, how do you guys feel? We've been playing for a year together.
And the truth comes limping after it. So a lie suffice. Save words goodbye, just dies in time. That it come to mind. Be a rabbit shooting advocate for a life that I envision for myself but can't exist. Automate, push button satirist. All the while make light not a thing that I could do but laugh at it once or twice. I have found a subtle randomness in the life that I live day to day, absurdly ravening.
Falsehood flies, and then the truth comes limping after it. So alas suffice. Save truth, trust dies. It flies in time, it is come top mind. Be a rather suiting advocate